So the grid just went down. Not a flicker, not a storm outage. This time, it feels different. And here's the thing. The first 24 hours are when most people decide their fate. If you stay calm, act deliberately, and follow a plan, you'll be ahead of 90% of the population before the first day ends. Let's walk through it together, hour by hour, with moves that serious preppers have tested, and a few tricks even veteran doomers sometimes miss. Hour 0, take a deep breath. Priority 1 is people. Make sure your family or roommates are safe and gathered. In Venezuela's blackouts, families that split up often stayed split because cell towers only ran a few hours on backup. So do your check-ins now. Call or text your out-of-town emergency contact if you have one. If you have kids at school or a partner at work and it's safe to travel, bring them home immediately. During the 2003 Northeast blackout, traffic lights failed within minutes. Gridlock trapped people in place. Don't wait until panic sets in. Once people are safe, grab your go bag. That bag should live ready to go. Flashlight, first aid, a few days' food, water, radio, spare cash. Keep it near you all day, even if you're staying home. You don't know if you'll have to bug out in a hurry. Next priority, intelligence. Is this just your neighborhood or a regional failure? Step outside. In an EMP scenario, you might notice stalled cars in the street, dead traffic lights, and silence where you'd expect hums and buzzes. If you've got a battery or crank radio, turn it on. This is your lifeline. In the 1965 Northeast blackout, ham radio operators became the backbone of communication, patching messages across states when phone lines and power failed. If you hear official updates, pay attention. If you hear nothing, that's also information. It tells you this isn't local. Hour 1, water. Every prepper forum, every survival book, they all agree. Secure water first. Fill bathtubs, pots, pitchers, soda bottles, anything clean. Don't hesitate. Municipal systems rely on electric pumps. If backup dies, taps run dry in hours. In Puerto Rico after Hurricane Maria, people with full bathtubs got through the first week. Everyone else was hauling buckets from polluted rivers by day 3. Don't forget hidden reserves. Your water heater tank can hold 40 to 80 gallons. Toilet tanks, the back tanks, not the bowls, are clean too. Store all you can now while it's easy. If you have filters, a Berkey, Sawyer, Life Straw, stage them. If not, prep the basics. Unscented bleach, a pot for boiling, maybe a water pasteurization indicator if you've built one. During cholera outbreaks, more people die from dirty water than from hunger or violence. Treat every outside source as contaminated. Better to be paranoid than sick. Hour 2, power. Unplug sensitive electronics. A sudden surge could fry them if the grid flickers. If you own a generator, test it now. But here's where experience counts. Don't run it loudly all night. In Argentina's 2001 collapse, the families who flaunted fuel or light got targeted quickly. Run your generator in short bursts. Chill the fridge, charge your devices, top off batteries, then shut it down. Conserve fuel and don't paint a target on yourself. Never run it indoors. Carbon monoxide quietly kills every disaster. For lights, go battery first. Flashlights, headlamps, LED lanterns. Candles are tempting, but every house fire doubles the chaos. A brilliant hack from Puerto Rico's blackout, solar garden lights. Stick them outside by day, bring them inside by night. It's cheap, safe, and endlessly renewable. People lit whole homes with yard stakes when batteries ran out. If you have hand crank lights, ration them. Use the lowest settings. Stretch every lumen. Hour 3. Food. Your fridge is now a ticking clock. After 4 hours, perishables slide into the danger zone. Freezers buy you a day or two if unopened. Cook meat, dairy, eggs, and leftovers while they're still good. Use grills, camp stoves, or rocket stoves outside. During London's Blitz, families kept perpetual stews simmering, a pot that never cooled, topped up daily to keep food safe. Same principle here. Make soups, stews, chili, foods you can reheat safely. If you've got neighbors, consider pooling resources. After Florida hurricanes, whole streets fire up grills for a neighborhood cookout. It saves food and builds trust, and trust is currency. In Sarajevo's siege, it wasn't just bullets and bread. It was neighbors watching each other's backs that kept people alive. Hour 4, security and shelter. Decide, bug in or bug out. Most preppers bug in unless their building is unsafe, fire, flood, or violence. But if you're in a high-rise, you need to think fast. No power means no elevators, no water pumps, sewage backflow, stairwells turning into latrines. If you've got a safer place to go, leave before roads clog. If you're staying, lock doors, cover windows, and practice light discipline. In New York's 1977 blackout, homes that glowed in the dark became instant targets. Keep it subtle. Stage your self-defense tools safely. Firearms, batons, pepper spray, whatever you're trained and legally allowed to use. Just knowing where they are saves critical seconds. Work with neighbors if you can. A porch watch rotation, even informal, deters opportunists. During Caribbean blackouts, men took turns outside with machetes just to show presence. Most looters back off when they sense risk. Hour 5. Sanitation. Toilets flush once or twice, then nothing. Don't waste drinking water to flush. Instead, line the bowl with heavy-duty bags, sprinkle litter, lime, or disinfectant, tie off, and store outside at day's end. It's not glamorous, but in Haiti's quake camps, poor sanitation killed more than collapsed buildings. Keep wipes and sanitizer close. Hygiene failure cripples faster than hunger. Hour 6 and onward. Communications and morale. Keep your radio scanning. If you're licensed, ham bands will buzz with chatter long before TV or official channels admit the truth. After 9/11, ham operators were how responders coordinated when phones jammed. If you've got handheld radios, establish a schedule. Top of the hour, quick check-ins. Even all good every few hours boosts morale and organization. As night falls, rotate watches. One person awake while the others rest. If you're solo, set noise traps with cans or trust a dog's ears. Fires, sirens, maybe even gunshots may echo. Stay calm. Most folks will still be frozen, confused. But by nightfall, opportunists may test doors. Better to be awake when they do. Hour 12. The adrenaline crash. You've done the hard part. Secured water, cooked food, set security. Now keep minds steady. Sit with your family. Play cards, tell stories, break open a treat. During the Blitz, British families sang songs in basements under bombing. Morale matters. Fear is as deadly as thirst. If you have kids, reassure them. If you have pets, keep them calm and close. Their comfort, too. Hour 24. Dawn. You've made it through the most dangerous window, the chaos of day 1. Most people around you will have spent the day waiting for someone else to fix it. You spent it acting. You secured water before taps ran dry. You cooked food before it spoiled. You kept a low profile when others advertised their desperation. You stayed clean, alert, and connected. The grid may be down, but you're not. You're alive, supplied, and ahead. History shows that in every disaster, those who take action in the first day fare better than those who wait. You've already tilted the odds. Now comes day 2 with its own hard choices. But you'll face them ready, because you've done what most won't. You turned panic into a plan, and that's survival.